So if you're hosting Easter dinner this year and you want to add a little DIY to your place settings, your table, we've got a couple freebies for you today. So we've got our little place card here, and this one's fairly simple. I've already got it cut out, okay? And this is Hello Easter by Echo Park. What you want to do is just fold everything at the score marks, get all of your little teeth, your little tabs here ready to go, and then you've got this one tab here. And what we're going to do is we're going to start by gluing this tab down. Okay, so get a little bit of glue on there and work that glue right out to the very edge of this tab. Don't overdo it. And just kind of grab this. And this is going to be flush with this little area here just before the scallops start. So just kind of pop that into place. If your tabs are out of the way, you should be able to align that nicely right up, just butt that up to the edge, and then just press that down and hold that for a second. Let that set. Okay, like that. And I just gotta kind of bend that back into place. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab some glue and get some glue on these tabs here. And I'm just gonna do a little dot, a good sized dot, and then I'm going to spread that out to the very edge, or just dab it to the edge, just so that we make good contact there all the way out to the edge so it looks nice and seamless. Okay, that ought to do it. And then we're just literally going to take this piece and fold it over. Maybe just use your table as a guide and just hold that in place for a moment while the glue kind of gets a little tacky and just, holds it and anchors it in place. And then eventually what you can do is just pop that on your surface, grab a dowel or your finger, and just press those tabs down. Okay, so there you have it. And then we've got a little insert that will kind of finish this off. It creates a nice little scalloped, almost like a little bubbly border there. And I'm just going to glue that into place. So throw a little bit of glue on the bottom. This bottom's not really going to be very noticeable, so just get that in there, and then grab your glue and work it around the perimeter here. That's probably the most important part. And then maybe just a little squiggle here or there. I did a little print and cut using my Cameo, and I'm just going to shove that in there. Try to get it nice and centered. That looks pretty good. There we go. And just press that down. Make sure that it's all the way flush with the bottom. And then you can also take your dowel and just push that down. And that takes care of that. Okay, so there's your beautiful little place card. And we do have a little flower. Now I'm also, so check out the photo. There's gonna be a little bow here. I got a nice little turquoise ribbon that I'm gonna use to probably hot glue a little bow here. And we're just gonna make a quick little flower to put right here in the corner. And we're gonna do that by just taking your dowel, and I'm gonna curl these in. Give them a little life. There's a nice little yellow piece for the center. We'll probably throw a little rhinestone or a pearl in the center of that. You can kind of cup that with your finger then. Okay, there you go. Grab your little yellow piece, simple little dot of glue, and you know what, I'm going to use my pick-me-up tool to place that nice and accurately. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to throw this guy just right here on the corner, just to give a nice little touch. I'm going to fill it with some of that Easter grass and throw some of those little speckled eggs or whatever it is that you have on hand. I think I bought a variety of little things here and there, but there you have it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Again, take a look at the photo to see, and just making a really simple ribbon, just tying one single bow, cutting off the ends just to make them look nice, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the the tutorial. Hope you guys make these. Would love to see them if you do. Would love to see your place settings for your Easter dinner. And if you do make this, we'd love to see it in our group on Facebook. So visit Facebook, do a search for Dreaming Tree Group in the little search bar up at the top, and join myself, and now we're at 11,000 dreamers who inspire us daily. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel to let me know that you are enjoying the assembly videos. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I look forward to crafting with you again.